All right, let's get real here. Sometimes you show up to do the wedding and the bride says, hey, I know we did that trial and I liked it when I left, but I actually changed my mind, and your heart drops like 5 feet and shrivels up like the Grinch's heart, and you go, oh, okay. And they say, but I trust you. And then your heart drops some more because you don't want to let them down because they're literally getting married. So my bride here, amazing. She is so kind, so sweet. We are going over as I'm going on about what she wants. She had sent me pictures about what she had wanted, but obviously we needed a little bit more time to decide, are we gonna slick back the sides? Are we going to leave the sides loose? Are we going to leave hairs around the side? Or are we gonna do it from the part? I mean, there's so many little details that you wouldn't even think about, but as a professional, you just learn to ask these questions. So we're sitting here and we're like, what is off? Something is off. She's trying to love this, and it's just giving, it's not giving, okay? It's just not giving. So honestly, this is real time. We are tweaking everything that we had done, other than the fact that we know what kind of bun we're gonna do. We're just playing around with what little tendrils are gonna hang out, what pieces are going to be swapped back, what's gonna be tighter. So after playing around with it, we finally decided we're going for hair pieces from the front, and we're going to keep the sides just a little bit over top of the ears because, yes, people are very insecure about their ears and they don't realize it till they want a slick back bun and go, ew, my ears. So same foundation as everything else. I'm crimping the roots, I'm teasing, I'm adding texture powder, texture spray, hairspray, and then I'm curling this ponytail. And this, my friends, is how you get this lovely little bun. Curl all the curls in the same direction, and then you just kind of knot that, twist it up, and pin and place. And then I mess around with hairpins and more bobbies, and we fell in love. Here is our after results. Here is what we were going to do beforehand, which, yes, is stunning, but not what she wanted. We pinned up those side curls that she wanted to leave out so they would hold, and she was thrilled. I love it.